Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I want to show you how to cut a HD75 motorcycle key on the Futura Auto. Now, I've talked about in the past that the Futura Auto, gets a lot of advertising on how to cut H75 edge style keys, or HD106 edge style keys, or Honda or Volkswagen high security keys, which is all great, right? They're real common, popular, and really the main reason why people buy a Futura Auto. But I want to show you how to cut a motorcycle key. If you go through the database and you search by key blank, you'll be able to identify all the different motorcycle keys that you're able to cut. But for this example, we're going to do the old HD75. It's a really popular older motorcycle key. Let me go ahead and we'll zoom in the camera and we'll cut one together. All right, now to cut this HD75 key, we're going to go up here and we're going to hit search. Then we'll do vehicle keys. And then on the menu here, we have a whole bunch of different options on how we can look it up. Now, you could put in the code if you have it, or I'm gonna go right down here to key blanks. I'm gonna type in HD75, which I believe is also X138 here. Let's see, we'll hit search. Okay, so it's gonna pull up all these different code series. You'll see right here, you can go next. Right, you'll see them. Now, these ones are real popular right here. These CDs, all the different ones, the 00 to 99. But let's go back here for a second. Now, another thing you can pay attention to is the serial number. So once you, let's say there's one that you're cutting a lot, maybe for a particular customer or vendor or something, and you can always just, make a note, memorize the actual card number that you can use. The serial number of the card there. So let's just go ahead and let's click on this one right here. And let's hit card. All right, now once it pulls it up, as you'll see here, everything's blank because we haven't told it what to cut yet. We either need to decode a key, look up the, or put in the actual cuts or the bidding, or we need to search by the code. So let's go ahead and search by code here. And the series is 00 to 99, so we have to make sure we stay within that. So let's just go 99, why not? Let's hit search. All right, so I'm gonna pull up the cuts here, or the bidding, which is a 32122. Once we do that, it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna populate this just like that and kind of give you a little mock picture of what it looks like. Now, on the side here, you can always look at the card options and see exactly what's going on. The clamp needed, the cutter needed, which is the 12L. And then you can go in here to card info as well and get some of the same type of information here. Now, once we have that, we'll go ahead and we can hit this cut button so we can cut the key. So I'll adjust the camera angle and we'll do that right now. As you can see though, it's going to tell us it's at a stop 0, clamp side all, meaning we can put it in any clamp side that we feel comfortable with. So let's go ahead and cut the key. Okay, so we already have the 01 VA jaw on. This is the edge style jaw, but you always want to make sure that you have the right cutter in. Now, after you've used this machine a bunch, you'll really get familiar with what the cutters look like. And just by looking at it, I can tell it's the 12L, but let's go ahead and just double check, because that really never hurts, does it? Oop, got the wrong Allen here. Let's get it put in. So we're just gonna loosen this Allen up a little bit. We'll just pull this out, take a quick peek at it, and there it is, 12L. So to change a cutter or to put a new one in, all you really need to do is loosen up this Allen a little bit. You go ahead and you just slide the cutter all the way up, push it into the very top to where it stops, and then just tighten the Allen. Okay, you don't need to tighten it too tight, just tight enough to keep it there, essentially. So once you have that, now we'll go ahead and we'll put our key in. Now it said we can use any clamp we want, but I think for a simple keyway profile like this, just the A is perfect because we can just clamp on just like that. So we'll go ahead and get it kind of put in there. And I'll bring up this stop, get it aligned just like that, and tighten it down now. All right, let's go ahead and cut side 1. So we'll close the shield and we'll hit start. Now the first thing it's going to do, it's going to come in here, it's going to calibrate exactly where the key is. Right there, right now it's doing that. It's making a few different passes. Side 1 is done, so we'll go ahead and we will turn the key around. There's the first side cut. Put it in here to this other side. That put in like that. Pop that down, close it, and I'll hit on the menu there, start. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to come in, it's going to calibrate, make sure it knows exactly where the position is. That feature helps a lot because even if you have someone that doesn't know how to put it in right or is kind of new, it's going to help make sure the key actually gets cut properly. And there we go. Now both sides of the HD75 key are cut just like that. Thank you guys for watching, and just remember your Futura Auto can cut a whole bunch of motorcycle keys as well.